Let me show you how you can make your name dance on the screens. Hello guys, welcome to Two-Man TV. On this video, I'm going to show you the super easy way on how you can make your name dance on the screen just like this. But before we go in, please like and share this video, okay? Share. So the first thing you will have to do is to log into your InShot. InShot is a video editing application. If you don't have it, you download it on the Play Store, okay? So you log into your InShot, then you click on the video, okay? So click on new, you add this. So now you have to bring in the video you want to edit. So let me touch on this video. So I'll bring it here like this. So you can see this is the video I want to edit. Okay, let me play it. Okay, you see how you can make. Okay, so now as I have this video here, the next thing is to text. Okay, and then you write this. You write your name, Two-Man TV. Okay, Two-Man TV. Two-Man TV. You see, this is the name of my page. Okay, so yes, the name of my page. So you see, you can see I have it, the name of my page there. Okay, so if you like, bring it here or anywhere you want to put the name. Okay, let me put the name here so that you see it clear. Okay, so after you put the name, you look at this thing. Look at this thing here. You touch it. Okay. After you touch this thing, after you enter here, then you click on the loop. You see loop. After you enter here, you click on the loop. So you see this loop. How do you want it to be dancing? So look at those options here. So if you want it to be dancing like this, you see that's the first option. You see the second option. You can see. You see this one. You see it. You see it. So if you see as it is dancing now, if it is dancing too fast, then you can reduce it here. Look at it here. Look at something here. You can reduce it. You see how slow it's going now. 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 Okay. If you want it fast, then you bring it back here. See how it is. So that is how you can make the name be dancing on the screen. And if you want to bring it down, you can still hold it and bring it anywhere you want the name to be dancing on your screen. Okay. Anywhere you want the name to be dancing. Okay. And you release it and it keep dancing. And after that, then you save your video. Okay. So let's say I finish that one. Now I will see that you see this one, you click on this mark here. So after that is it. Now you have it, and whenever your video is playing,
make your name dance on the screen.
See, that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video. Please share.